This is part 2. So see, the cake is done. You can take it out. You can take it up from the microwave. You have to take a toothpick and prick it in the center. Just prick it down and see, it's clear. So it's done. It depends on each microwave. Some microwaves needs 10 minutes, some needs only 5. So you can use 10 too. Now you can take it out. It's cooled. Now that it's cool, you can take it out and place it on the rack. And you can slice it and give it to your children. They would love this chocolate cake made in an oven, in a microwave, which is easy and simple and very fast. Thank you.